Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the cat earphones in Avatar World. If you're looking for an aesthetic accessory for your character, the cat earphones is, I think, the cutest one in the game. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact location on how you can get it for free. So first, you just need to go to this map and then just click on the school building or go to the school building. Okay, so once you're inside the school, you just need to go to the second floor and go inside this music class and just swipe until you found this girl with the cat earphones. You can just grab it and give it to your avatar. Let's say I'm going to just grab this, and then in here, let's put on. Okay, so now you can just grab the earphones and give it to your avatar like this. So that's how you can get this cute cat earphones in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks.